Hello friends and neighbors, and welcome. In today's video I'm going to be tidying up a little bit and putting out my fall and Halloween decorations. But first I'm going to make my daughter and I some breakfast, and then we'll get started. Here is one of my recent finds. I know I showed him over on my Instagram page when I first got him. I found him at a flea market. He was down in a box with a bunch of knickknacks, and everything in the box was $1 a piece, so of course I had to have him. I'm not sure if he's a mass-produced item or if he is homemade. He's very light. He kind of feels like a paper mache type of material. There is no markings or tags or anything. He does have the newspaper on his body, but there's no dates or headlines. Nothing really that I could get a time frame from. But I just think that he is absolutely adorable. My husband thinks he's more creepy. So, what's your opinion? Is he cute or creepy? I'd like to know. hand towel you see here is one that I made. I originally made it for a Mother's Day gift for my mother-in-law, but I loved it so much I made one for my own kitchen. And the recipe is one that was written by my husband's grandmother. I had taken it and scanned it and cleaned it up and printed it and sublimated it onto the kitchen towel. I just thought it was so nice to have her famous hot fudge cake recipe in her handwriting printed and displayed in our kitchen. So I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to put it away for the season. I'm just going to change the hand towel that's with it to one of my fall hand towels.
Through all the snow in these northern skies, and all them crows with their strange mournful cries, the lowest lows and the grand soaring highs, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. Through all them shadowy barbed wire streets, and all them lying servants in their parliamentary seats, through all the frozen hearted warlords and thieves, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. And so when you go down that dark foggy road, if there's one thing that you know, when you're out in the cold, with all the warmth my devoted heart holds, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. Through all the gloom in these West Coast rains, and all them lonely faces, them rush hour subway trains, the things that you know deeply but can never be explained, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. And so when you go, take this promise for the road. If there's one thing that you know, when you're out there all alone, with all the warmth my devoted heart holds, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. I'll be kind to you the rest of my days.
thank you all for visiting with me today. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you all next time.